Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. So today, before we start our class, I would like to ask everyone, what is your dreamy environment? If I were to answer that question, my answer will be, I want an environment with a clean air. What about you? Please record your voice and send your answer in the chat box below.
Okay, today I'm going to teach about the words or phrase. So there are 14 words that I'm going to teach today. Okay, everyone, you can look at the notes that I give you here. So I will read each of the words to all of you, and you have to listen to the word carefully. Number 1, urban. Number 2, rural. Number 3, close to nature. Number 4, not affected by development. Number 5, lack of. Number 6, smog. Number 7, breathe fresh air. 8, poisonous chemicals. 9, unhappy. 10, peaceful. Number 11, hectic. Number 12, harmful. Number 13, cause disease. Number 14, grow organic food. I want you to read the 14 words that I read for you just now. So I'm going to tell you about the meaning of the 14 words. The first word is urban. Urban is a city with a population at least 15,000 people. Number 2 is rural. Rural is a characteristic of a country. Number 3 is close to nature. The means is a condition where we can see the tree and the animals easily. Number 4 is not affected by development. The meaning is the place is still unexplored. Number 5 is lack of. The meaning is something less and not enough. Number 6, smog. The means is a fog or haze intensified by smoke or other atmospheric pollutants. Number 7 is breathe fresh air. The meaning is a situation where we can breathe with fresh air. Number 8 is poisonous chemical. The means a toxic that may cause harm to an individual if it enters the body. Number 9 is unhappy. A person that not feeling pleasure or satisfaction. And number 10 is peaceful. It is something calm and quiet. Number 11, hectic. A situation where the people are very busy. Number 12, harmful. It is related to something that causes by damage or is able to be harmful. Number 13 is cause disease. The means is something that leads to any disease. Number 14, grow organic food. It is something that we do to make organic food like gardening.
Okay, so since you already learned about Mother Nature, along with the words and the phrase, today I'm going to do an activity to all of you. Alright, so did you see the words or the phrase that I have shown earlier? There is 14 words or phrase, isn't it? So, if you see the picture, the words or the phrase, I want to each one of you pick one word. Alright, so after you pick your words or the phrase, You have to capture a picture that related to the words that you already choose or you pick. Okay, so after you have picked the word and you have the picture that you think have the related to the words that you are choose, I want to each of you record your voice to explain why did you choose that picture, why did you think the picture has related to the words that you choose. Okay, and the last one, you have to remember that each of the number can only pick by not more than 3 people. Okay, not more than 3 people. Alright, so to avoid you from using the same word with your friend, I want to each of you share your number of words that you already picked so that you friend be able to see what number you already picked. Alright? But before that, let me show you the example of this activity. So I'll be seeing your work and thank you for your cooperating, okay? You did a great job.
Alright. What you are required to do in these activities, this is an individual task, right? So I want, first and foremost, you have to take a picture of your current environment, okay? Second, have to search for a picture of your dreamy environment in Google. Alright. Next, you have to put the pictures together using photo collage editor. Okay? And then you have to post the picture in the Padlet link. The document posts include first name and brief description for both pictures. Explain the difference between the pictures, and lastly, have to state your point of view. You have to state why did you dream of that kind of environment. Alright. The requirement for this task is you have to comment at least 5 of your friends' posts, right? And another thing is you have to remember that in your description, you should use at least 5 of the words that we have learned today. Words or phrases that we have learned today, right? So here you can see the example. Wait a minute. Mm-hmm. All right. On the link, you supposed to view. You can view this Padlet wall here. So this is the example. And you have to describe the first and the second picture. Have all described the difference between both of the pictures. And lastly, this is the most important thing that I want to know. I want to know your reason. Why did you choose that kind of environment as your dreamy? And so here you can see here. You can see here, this is my current environment right now, and this is my dreamy environment. So the reason I choose the second picture as my dreamy environment is because I like mountain. Yes, you can use an emoji. And I really like to wake up in the morning and breathe fresh air. Okay? So you can see here, I am using the words that we have learned today, the words and phrases that we have learned today. I have bold the word so that everyone can see that I'm using these words that we have learned. So you have to do the same thing, okay? You have to bold the words and the words or phrases that you have used, right?
We close to the end of our session. So can anyone tell me what we have learned today? Yes, we have learned Mother Nature topic. We have learned some words or phrases, isn't it? Alright. So thank you everyone for you participating and also you cooperating. So we end our class now and see you in the next session. Bye.